Alright, gearheads, ever wondered how global chaos affects your sweet ride? Today, we're diving headfirst into the wild world of supply chains and geopolitics, and how they mess with motorcycle manufacturing, parts, and prices. Buckle up, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. First off, what's a supply chain? Think of it as a super complicated route your motorcycle takes, from the raw materials all the way to your garage. It's like a global relay race, with different countries and companies passing the baton or, in this case, engine components, tires, and frames to each other. When things run smoothly, everyone's happy. But when things go sideways, well, that's where the fun begins. Let's talk geopolitics. That's just a fancy word for how countries interact, and it can really throw a wrench in the works. Imagine a country slapping tariffs on imported steel. Suddenly, your favorite bike's frame gets a whole lot pricier. Or, what if there's a political crisis in a country that makes a key part? Production grinds to a halt. These global events can cause all sorts of headaches for manufacturers, like long delays and shortages. Now, let's zoom in on manufacturing. Motorcycle companies, like everyone else, are constantly juggling costs and trying to stay competitive. They might have factories in multiple countries, relying on parts from all over the globe. If a major supplier faces a problem, the entire production line can be affected. This means fewer bikes get made, and guess what? Prices go up. Parts availability is another major concern. Picture this: you need a new exhaust, but the factory that makes it is in a country experiencing political unrest. Or, maybe a shipping container with your new fairings gets stuck in a port due to a trade dispute. Suddenly, your bike is off the road, and you're left waiting. It's frustrating, and it's a direct result of global events impacting the supply chain. And the big one: pricing. Geopolitics and supply chain issues can seriously inflate the cost of your dream bike. Raw materials get expensive, manufacturing costs rise, and shipping becomes a nightmare. All of this gets passed down to the consumer. So, next time you're looking at the price tag on a new motorcycle, remember all the global factors at play. So, what can we, as motorcycle enthusiasts, do? Well, we can stay informed about global events. We can support brands that prioritize sustainable supply chains. We can also be patient, understanding that sometimes delays are unavoidable. And, hey, maybe consider learning to wrench on your own bike that way. You're less reliant on those hard-to-find parts. In conclusion, the world is a complex place, and your motorcycle is a product of it. Understanding how supply chains and geopolitics affect the motorcycle industry is key to appreciating the challenges faced by manufacturers and the factors that influence the price and availability of our beloved bikes. Ride safe, stay informed, and keep the rubber side down, folks.